Yeah, g'day boys and girls. I am just fixing my compressor, which I'll show you in a sec. Yeah, I've just bought a new DJI microphone mini, so this hopefully the audio is somewhat better than it's been. So yeah, hopefully you can stick around. It's just a quick little video, just a little hack on a compressor. If you ever have a King's compressor, yeah, you can sort of just bypass it. You can even do this out in the bush with just twisting some wires together if you needed to. So yeah, just stick around, have a look, give us a thumbs up if you like it. So my compressor died the last trip we did, so I've had to just doctor it up. I'm going to go for a bit of a drive this afternoon. This little control board has died, so you can see all the solder off the relay there has got so hot it's melted through there. So what I did is I just took that out, cut it off, and I've just connected the wires directly down here to the motor, and then just whacked an Anderson plug on with some cable, and now it just plugs in over here like so. So now I'll pop it all back in there. That wiring's a bit of a mess, tidy all that up, and then yeah, I can go for a drive, and I'll have my lockers and air compressor for tyres, pressures and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's just a quick little one, and then I'll get a proper relay and wire it all back up with a relay, and then through this pressure switch again. But I'll have to order a relay because I've only got 30 amp relays, and this is drawing about at least 50 amps under load, so I'll do that next week. Alright, so that's just sitting back in there now. Yeah, just got the hard line done back up. Those two red wires there are the pressure switch, and yeah, so I've got to get a relay, and then I'll fix that permanently later on. So yeah, I just put a little bit of like rubber foam stuff in there to help with a bit of sound deadening when the compressor's running, 'cause it's pretty loud when it's going in the car. Doesn't do much, but helps a little bit. And yeah, I'll just run the cable out through here, and then when I need to, I can just plug it in there. I'll just have to keep an eye on the pressure so I don't over pressurize anything and blow any hoses off. And yeah, that should just get me out of trouble for a little bit. Yeah, alright, I'll put it all back together and we'll get going. Okay, all of this stuff here is going in the rubbish. So the relay is turned up that I ordered, 100 amp, just a basic relay, just a bit chunkier than the usual 30 amp ones. So hopefully this will do the job. I bought a couple, so just not 100% sure how reliable these are going to be. That compressor, that's a twin thumper, I think they draw close to 90 to 100 amps, so we'll see how it goes. I've just wired it up there. It's pretty rough and ready in there. I'll have to tidy all that up, but I'm just going to give it a test. Okay, so it is working. Okay, working. Pulls a fair bit of power out of the battery. So it's shut off. Yeah, it's set to fill up my air tank underneath the car. So yeah, a bit of a mess there, but I'll pack all that up. I think we're good to go. Okay, so I'll just run the air just to see if it kicks in. Yeah, righto. Thanks for watching. Everything seems to be in working order. Thanks again. See ya.